haven't talked with you guys for quite some time, and I saw this kind of small animal farm, and I was like, this is worth starting the record again. And you see, hey, it looked at us. And then there is like ponies, right? Right? Oh, two here. There is a cock, and probably this will be electrocuted, so I'm not going to touch it, but I can go nearer. And yeah, just chilling. Yep, the kind of life everyone wants. Yeah, so we recovered our pace quite a bit. It was going at some pace of like 14.5 to 15 minutes per. I heard you. Yeah, going at a pace of 14.5 to 15 per kilometers. But now we're back to 13.5 and closing to 13. So I would say that's pretty nice. So yeah, I actually wanted to do live streams, and first I opened like a different account, and it was a new account, no subscribers, nothing, and it was like, oh, post shorts and you get new subscribers, have 50 subscribers to start a live, as if having n subscriber means n people are going to watch. Yeah, whatever. Well, then I switched to the other account, which has like 150, in which I'm going to post this, like where probably I'll be posting it. So there is a dog. Yeah, there's a train line and the train goes there, so take it in. Yeah, how many times I'm gonna be exactly at this spot, see exactly like this? Probably not a lot, but that's why. Yeah, I mean, how often would you do the kind of things that you do? Like, for instance, taking a break to go to a particular cafe and have a particular coffee at a particular table. Probably not a lot of times, unless that cafe is literally next to your house and you go there every day. So follow the yellow signs. Yep. So yeah, I mean, it's important to enjoy things that you do once in a while properly. Yeah. But yeah, so I wanted to do a live, and I actually started a live. Oh my goodness, I have to cross this, otherwise in the background it will be the dog's bark. What? Oh my goodness, I'm so happy they're closed, right? I guess so. Yes, I'm gonna leave. Okay, so what I was saying is I was going to start a live, but then I did start the live, and I was showing the chapel at the beginning from where this hike starts, but then it was showing me reconnecting. I'm like, oh my goodness. And then I was like, okay, I'll then do not live, I'll record these and then I'll put it out. So, well, are we going into the forest? Are we? I have to check. If we're going into the forest, you'll get to experience what I get to experience when I'm just going alone in the forest. So I'll check and I'll come back.